So all right, you still filming me, huh? Well, I don't understand. You just doing that just for the fun of it, I guess. Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I forgot. Oh, and by the way, I have a special guest. Hello. Look, and that's all right. Never mind that. All right, so anyway, y'all. Oh, you have something to say, Ryan? You on the show?
What's going on?
All right. By the way, B ran away, you know.
What she did?
Yeah, try to put on the show, you know. So,
Some,
there she is.
Y'all don't film me.
Huh?
oh yeah, don't step on the cup.
All right.
You gotta take your shoes off.
Oh, I gotta take my shoes off. All right, shoes off. That's what I'm gonna do. Ta da 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 da. Okay, good old socks. Okay, so this is new carpet, so I'm not gonna. Hey, Ryden, how you? You okay? So y'all y'all see Ryden on my show before, you know. So
Oh, let me see.
let you see what? Oh, come on.
No, delete it.
No.
Delete it.
But anyway,
Delete it.
but anyway,
Delete it.
all right.
Delete the channel.
All right. Okay. I'm gonna delete it.
Okay. Delete it.
I will delete it when I'm ready.
Delete.
Stop.
When are you gonna be ready?
Ready for what?
To delete it.
Probably tonight. Okay. So what's the matter?
Probably tonight.
Uh,
Probably. We need to see this. Wait.
all right. So anyway, Braylon was never camera shy when she was a baby.
I don't even want to be on his channel.
Okay. This is Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah.
I can't even see. My head not doing nothing.
All right. So anyway, say big play. Anything you want to say? Nothing else. All right. So, well, well, never mind all that though. You know. So, I don't know how many people are gonna be watching this. So, what else I would say? So, Rodney, you want to say hey? Say hey.
They
Yo.
filming. They filming.
All right.
You are not allowed to film. They filming. My baby brother.
All right. So you filming me too?
Yeah, we filming.
All right. So, is it going on YouTube?
Yes.
Or your show?
Yes.
Cause I do not want be filmed for nothing.
Yup, you gonna be on YouTube.
Good. So anyway, I'm telling y'all viewers there, and I'm telling my viewers too that
He don't have no views.
well we'll see about that though. But anyway, y'all, nothing like the higher
You too old
order.
for Facebook.
Well, that's what you think. But like Marcus the Magnificent would say, the higher order. So some of you already known BB when she was a baby, and these two physician tests.
Oh no, it was just a text from my mom.
Y'all
Physician test.
y'all got the camera too close. Well, how could they see my face? They got the camera too close for your ears.
Wait, I'm going back to work.
Stop screaming.
I'm still recording.
Okay.
Guys, the little viewers right here, he is a terrible man. He does not deserve viewers. Do not like it. Do not comment. And do not subscribe.
Oh, don't listen to that, y'all. So people subscribe, people comment. I don't normally get that.
He's a horrible man. Don't listen to him.
Don't say that. Too many people's watching.
He wears glasses.
Well, yeah, Steve Urkel wear glasses. Yes.
I wear glasses, but I don't wear them no more because I broke them.
Why?
I did that on purpose because I didn't like them.
Oh my God. You hear that, bro? I guess he have no comment though, you know. So I don't know. I don't know why she said that though, you know. I really don't know why she said that. But back up a little bit so you can see my face.
No, we can still see your face. We got it.
It's too close, you know. So
Let me just get Dion.
all right. It's too close. All right. So anyway, after being distracted by
You
Camera-
gonna go viral.
camera, don't fail me now. Like they say, you know. So
God, do not subscribe. Do not. He is the baddest. Do not comment. Do not comment at all. Say boo in the comments.
okay. All right. Thank you. So do you ever show yourself?
Yeah, I have my own YouTube channel. Yeah.
Oh, piece of cake. Oh yeah. And by the way, make sure y'all subscribe to our page.
No, do it.
Don't do what?
Don't subscribe. Don't subscribe. Don't like, don't comment, don't No, follow my channel.
Okay, y'all will.
Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, and it will be down below in the description.
And by the way, she's 9 years old.
Nuh-uh. I'm 11.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I'm 11. Guys, don't listen
And
to him. He telling kind of some lies. He telling some lies on Facebook.
Wait, turn the camera around so they can see me. You know. All right, so they got their. Well, all right. That's enough.
Let us do this. Look at his dirty ears.
Dirty ears. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, he has dirty ears. Yeah, look at the inside.
Okay. All right, so.
Look at the inside.
All right, y'all. All right, y'all play too much, y'all.
Yeah, get back.
Yeah.
Sit back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because nobody's supposed to be that close like that. Because you know why, right?
And people personal space.
Well, true. You know. But by the way, he's right about that, y'all. So y'all.
Coronavirus.
Yeah, that. Could I step back? You're supposed to be.
You can say COVID or Corona.
Corona. That's what I mean. So all right. The reason why I'm doing this because
You're going on Snapchat, dude, and TikTok,
hold on, wait a minute.
and YouTube. And
Don't put me on no Snapchat because that don't last.
Talk. I'm still doing it.
That don't last at all because the video disappear. Put me on YouTube or something. Not no Snapchat because that ain't gonna last long.
I'm still fucking on it. You're gonna be super viral, and if you don't, I'm deleting the channel I'm deleting this from my channel.
Oh, all right. Well, my ears ain't dirty.
I didn't even.
It's wax. That's all.
It's wax. Let me just look.
And by the way, why you tell me you was puking?
I wasn't even puking. Stop, guys. My hair's not even done.
Oh, ain't nothing wrong with y'all. Well, ain't nothing wrong with our hair, y'all. So.
No, he lied.
Oh, so what you gonna say if I tell you?
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, what you gonna say if
We
I?
camera him. You on the camera.
So Sonny, what you gonna say if I tell you Miss Kirsten is watching?
Miss Kirsten.
You remember her?
Who is they?
You haven't seen her since you was a baby.
I don't know her.
Yes, you do.
I don't know her.
Well, I'm gonna tell you when I stop the show. Okay.
I don't know her. I don't know who you even talking about.
Well, we'll soon find out because you haven't seen her since you was a baby.
What is you talking about?
Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, what you say?
Ain't crazy. Don't watch it.
All right, so anyway, that's it for now. So thank y'all for watching.
Oh, and as you can see, that he's getting old.
Yeah. It's a part of life.
It's a part of life.
Yes.
You're getting Why I'm not
You go-
getting old?
Yeah, you still young, but you ain't gonna be old until I can't say. All right, so that's all I'm gonna say. All right, bye bye, y'all.